Good morning, Andy Flack with Canvas Designers. We're on the bridge of an 80-foot Viking today. We're just going to run through. We've just built this enclosure that you see behind me, this EZ2CY trademark enclosure. And some of the thoughts that went into this enclosure as we built it with the aesthetics is you can see the end pipes come down. They're attached here so that you have a nice tight enclosure. It all matches the lines flow with the boat so that everything looks like it belongs on the boat. All the seams, all the splits match the piping. As you swing around, you've got these large corner panels. Each one of the corner panels has a nice vent in it, so you don't have to open the center panel to bring air into the boat and just flood the boat with air. It allows you to have just enough air to get some movement going, but not have it open and just everybody get blown off the bridge. The center panel, as you can see, is attached to the lower venturi by track. So it allows you to have the panel, it allows you to open it and still have your venturi glass in place. Same thing as we flow back down the line, you can see these lines just from a different angle. And again, when you get to the back, they're tracked to the aft pipe. And what that does is normally the glass on the front panels are an 80 gauge rigid acrylic. The back panels are a little thicker and they're tracked to the back on these huge boats because that keeps the panels from waffling and giving you the helicopter sound while you're underway. So that's what we built here. Glad to share it with you. I'll see you at the next boat.